Hello students, this is our lesson number 3 in Microsoft Word. So today we are going to be looking at an advanced lesson. So I request you to pay attention and follow me step by step. First of all, as usual, I'll first show you the project of today. You can see it is not a joking project. So here we are going to be looking at the insert tab, isn't so? Then the insert tab, it is about inserting things like you are having like a drawn kind of of an object, and now you are bringing it into Microsoft Word. The way you can see here, this one, the infant logo, and also here, so you can see everything very well. So I'm going to do this project slowly by slowly as I go on, as I explain. So we are going to open our draft of our lesson of today's project. Then we work on it as simple as the way it is here. So I will open my Microsoft Word. As how you can see, it is starting with inserting a table. I'm going to demonstrate how to insert a table. How do we insert the table? So you come into our ribbon tabs. Then we look where there is a ribbon tab called the insert, isn't so? A ribbon tab called what? Called insert. We click on it. After clicking on it, then we select a table. After selecting on a table, then we click on it like this. You can see the draft of the columns and rows that we're going to be using. Simply today we shall use these ones. How many columns do we have there? Let me check first. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even below we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, isn't so? Then we come a simple way. We come here, and then you go to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The more you calculate, the more you add, the more they give you the list of the columns. Then under here we come and we drop. Now we're going under 1. No, those are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 5 of 7, isn't so? Then you click, you have selected. Another way or another method of inserting the table. Let me delete this one. Let me delete it. And then I come and use another method which is professional, more than the one that we had. So you click on the drop down where we had clicked before. You come to the insert table. You click. So they ask us number of columns and the number of rows, isn't so? Number of columns and the number of rows. So when they tell you number of columns and the number of rows, they mean this one. So these ones, the columns, they're the ones that come all splitting like this. Then and the rows, the ones that are going. So for in a normal way, or in a normal understanding, or in a normal explanation, columns are always vertically, or they are vertically arranged, and the rows, they are horizontally arranged. When they tell you horizontal, it is when it is going like this. So vertical, it is when it is coming from the north to the south. Okay, so we said they told into our project, we counted that the columns are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we come and we fill 5 columns. They are already there, or else you mark it and delete, and then you write then there 5. Then the rows, there are 7, but let's count them. We come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We come and we insert 7 columns. We delete 2 and then we put 7. After doing that, then we click on OK. The thing is very easy, as you can see, as eating the bee shusha. But after inserting our table, you can see there are other ribbon tabs that have been added aside here. Before we had from file to help, but we have table design and the table layout. These ones help us to add some other formattings into our table. So when we come here onto our project, we have serial number, we have names, age. Then I come and copy, highlight, then you Ctrl+CO, right click, then you copy. You come to the project and to our Microsoft Word. You come here at home and paste, or else you click Ctrl+V, then you paste. Then we come back onto our project. We copy names, Ctrl+C, and then we come and we paste as Ctrl+V into our column. Then we go back, we copy age like that, Ctrl+C, and then we come and paste. Do it to complete all the requested requirements. So easy. Just put it in your mind that things are easy, then you will be able to do them. Okay, so let us format our table with you can see the serial number. It's not all that big the way that we have it here. Let us go in Microsoft Word. Then we resize it. So to resize it, you just come into this vertical line or into the low line. Then you put the cursor in the middle of it so that it can change to the close. If it has changed to the close, then you are ready to move that line from left to the right. So how are we going to move after putting the cursor and it has changed the side? So your left arm is going to longer press a left click. After pressing a longer left click, use your right arm to slide on the touchpad, taking it to the left so that you can squeeze the size or you reduce the size of serial number like this. Very easy, like that. After I've done it, come and do it also to the same as names. You know names are always long and whatever. Then you squeeze like this, not very much. Then you come here also, you squeeze, taking it to the left depending on how you need. Then you come with the sex, you also reduce it like that. Okay, so you can see our table is really looking nice. And then let us come and see onto our project. You can see that we have some blue lines passing on our serial number. But before we go on that, we are going to first give it the font size. You can see these titles into the table. They're having what we call the font size, isn't so? So we come and we add the font size. Oh no, sorry. You highlight, you come and give the font size of maybe 14, like that, and you add also bold like that. So you can see how it is looking good. So when we come and look to the project again, we are going to add this blue thing here. Let us come to the project, and then we click into this column, or we click anywhere. Then we come to the table layout. After coming to the table design, after coming to the table design, then we add the border having the blue what? The blue color. So we come here and we select one of these. But if you don't select this, we come to the shading and we select the blue. This shading is for the background. It is for the background. Let us come here to the border. To the border styles. Then we select the blue. After selecting the blue, then we come and we draw. We paint. You see, has it changed? Or else we click Ctrl+Z to undo what you have done. Then we come and we select again here the border. After we come and we select the color that we need, light blue, like that. And then after we select the width or the strength of the strength or the width or the weight of our border. Let us come and select 2 1 out of 4 pt. Then we let us come and we paint. Sorry. Let us come and we paint like this, like that. So when we come to the project, the thing is really matching. Then when we come here, we can see that we have a dark line here. We have a dark line. Let us come and we shade it. Then we come to Microsoft Word. Then it is on edge. Where is it? It is in front of edge here. Then we come and we select black. Then we select also the weight, which is 2. Then we come and we shade like that. Then we come to the project and we see location, the top and the bottom and the right borders are bolded. Let us bold this. We bold this and also this. Sorry. Okay, you can see. Then let's come back here. We can see that the line is of here. All the vertical columns are removed, so you're going to remove them also. We have this one that is crossing under here, and also the one that is crossing under here. So let's come here, and then we select 3 of them like this. Then we come at the layout. Then we do what? We split them. So do you see that I have splitted them? After splitting them, so after splitting them, let us split even other areas that are going to be splitted. We come here to the names and we split some. Let's come here. Then this line is going to be left. Then we select these 2 and then we split them. After splitting them, then we come and see our project. And also not only there, even here we split. Yes, like this. So let us come and apply the text. We come at our project, then we copy. Then we come to the Microsoft Word, then we paste. So after we give it a font size as usual. Remember what we learned today, we shall need it tomorrow at any time. After we give it a font size of 12 like that. After I've given it a font size, then let us come and we see what is missing again. We have a color here, so let us come and add the color. We shall come here to, no, it is a shading. Then we come here, then we select, yeah, it is this one here. And then when we come here in between, in front of this shading, we have no vertical lines, we have no columns. Let's come and we remove them. Then we come to the, then we come and we merge the cells. After merging the cells, then we come to the project, and then we merge also these 2, this one here. And then after we come and see, yes, you can see things are coming out. Then under here we have these colors, or we have these borders on our columns. Let us come Then you select the border. After selecting the border, they are already selected. Then we select only the color of the borders, light blue. This come and polish the borders. After polishing the borders, we come and then polish more too. These ones, this one and this one, which having a black color. Let us come here and change the color, which is black. Then let me come and see. That's the way it is. That is the way how it should be. Then after polishing, then we come and we shade this area. Sorry. We come and shade this area with this real color. No, it is yellowish. It is this one, is it? Yeah, that one. After, then we come and we design this one here. Then we come and we delete also the columns of this area. So we come and merge them. After merging, then we shade it with a red, with a black color. Yes, with the black color. After shading with the black color, we give it the border, which is red. I think you can see how the process is going. We come. Then we come to the border. It is okay. We give it the color, which is red, and we give it the 4, 1 out of 2 pt. Then we shade. Let me see. So one more thing is missing, like, so we should come and add on another column. After adding it, sorry. So if you want to add on, you can come here at the ending points. You can see that there is an added icon that we didn't have before, which is having in a plus. You click to add another column. Then after you highlight, come and merge like this. After merging, then we come and we add the borders, shade the borders. So you can see. Then after shading it, come and give it the black one, like that, a blacker shading. So if we look at our project, it is really coming out. It is coming out. Yes, you can see the thing is coming out. Then after we've done that, let us come and we continue with our project. So under here we are having the insert pictures. So I'm going to demonstrate. They're asking me to demonstrate how to insert the picture from a file, how to resize, crop, and paste and position images. So we are going to go before we begin. You should know that you have everything on your computer and set it. Then we shall go to the insert ribbon tab, is what we are dealing with today. Then we go to the picture ribbon command, and then we click on this device, then we wait for the device to open. Then as me, after where my image is located is at the downloads folder. Then I will select the downloads folder. Then after, I'm going to see all my images. So my image is really here. I select it and insert. After inserting my image, I'm done with inserting the picture. Then I'm done with demonstrating how to insert the picture from a file or from our device. Then I'm going to resize. I resize the picture like that. Then after resizing, I crop. So after we have inserted the picture, we have our ribbon tab added in here. That is the picture format. We come alongside here, we have crop. We click on it, then we come on cropping. We know what is cropping: reducing the outer layer of the image. So do you see? Then after I've cropped, then I come and click on crop in order to accept or to submit that my image that I've cropped, I already need it in that way. Then I come and click on crop. So you can see that it was starting from this side. Now other parts have just gone. Then after cropping the picture, then let me position. So when you positioning, take this as a note. You should come here at the option, layout option, click, and then select one option here, which is the last one in front of text. You click. So this system enables you to position your image wherever you want. Like if you don't select the other option, you cannot position the image easily as the way I'm doing. So first of all, we have our logo here. After putting our logo, then we shall come and we give it this picture format that is looking like this. It has come to Microsoft Word, picture format. We have a picture border, we have a picture effect, we have the picture layout. Let us come to the picture effect, and then we come to the preset. After coming to the preset, then I'm going to select the preset called preset 11. You're going to select the preset 11 so that our picture can look like this. Isn't so? Then after our picture is done like that, you can duplicate it to here down, so that you can have two logos as how we can see here. So that you can have two logos as how we can see here. So you just come to Microsoft Word, you go here, you right click on it, then you make copy. After making a copy, then you come here to home, or else after making copy you make Ctrl V. You see, there are now two. Or else you come and select the picture, then you make Ctrl C, which is a copy, then after make Ctrl V. There are now two. Or else you come to the picture, right click on it, copy, then you right click on it, then you paste from here. Or else you come and right click, copy, then come to home tab, then and click on paste, which is here. So you drag your image under like this, the same way how I did on this project that we are working along with. Then after, what I'm going to do, go back to the picture format so that it can look as this one. So we'll remove the picture effect that we applied, which made it look like this. So let us come at our picture effect, go to preset and select this first one, which is none. So when you select the none, you can see have our logo with the shadow. Do you see that shadow? Okay. So after doing that, they are telling us positioning the image, we are done. Now they are telling us the teach basic image formatting options, border, effect, and whatever. So they are all happened here. isn't it? They all happened here. You can see the border here that was applied with the preset and whatever. So now we are now coming under here to number 3, which is saying inserting shapes. So I'm going to explain how to insert different available shapes, which is arrows, there is a circle, there is a rectangle. So let us insert these ones. We are going back to the insert tab, and the first shape to enter, the arrows. There are 2, left and right. So after clicking on insert, come to the shapes, then click on drop down icon standing for more. Then after you come to the arrows. When they talk about arrows, they mean these ones, left and right. So beginning with the right one, you come and click once, then after click on shift button and then mark one of these. Okay, before you go any further, so when we are going, we have inserted them, isn't so? Let us insert them after, then we resize. We are now inserting, then after we shall resize. But let us insert one and then we resize. So I'm going to resize this one. So when you're resizing, you are going to come and mark these middle, these dots. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So if you go with this one, will change the meaning of the icon. So this one is no longer an arrow. It is becoming something else. So to return it, I'm going to click Ctrl Z to undo. So in order so that I can reduce my image very well, I'm going to mark the corner one. So but if I mark the corner badly, it is also going to change the appearance of our arrow. Then click Ctrl Z to undo. Then in order not to change the formatting of the arrow, I'm going to click on shift. After clicking on shift, then I'm going to use my left arm side to click shift. Then I use my right arm size to rotate the one of the cornered dots. Then after I use my middle finger on the left hand side to click my left click. Then I use my right arm to slide as I reduce the size of the arrow. Do you see? Okay. Not only that, you can come and use these ones here. Do you see? Do you see? Like that. You're going to decrease depending on which size do you need. But so that they be uniform, let this one be 2 centimeters, and this one the length, the width to be 2 centimeters, and height to be 1.1 centimeter. Then let us come and we set the next arrow, the left one. Then we come and we select. Then we come and we drop like this. After dropping, let us take it in this way. Let us extend it in this way. After extending, let us come and we give it 1.5 as the height, 1.1 centimeter. Then the width, it is 2 centimeters, like that. So when we try to see, they are now equal in size. So after adding those ones, we come and we add this one here, the circle. Yes, we come onto Microsoft Word, we go back to insert shapes. The circle is here, which is oval. Then we click in that format, then we position it somewhere here. Then after positioning it, then we come and we put also the rectangle. Yes, it is here. So we come to insert shapes, then the rectangle is here. Then we drag only once, it will come like a square. Wait, let me see. And then insert, then shapes. When we see this one, it is a rectangle, but still it can work like a square. Then we come and drag or draw. For the case of a rectangle, because they can't give us a square, a rectangle can work like a square when you come and give it the same height and the same width. or else kama ni select a rectangle like this, kama ni and tap once into our document, then kama ni give it a width which is greater than the height, it will now become a rectangle. You can see now we have our shapes like that. And then we come and position them depending on how our project is showing. Then after there, we are going to come and give them the formattings, whereby the rectangle is having a border or the outline which is black, and having the weight, and also having the shading of red. How shall we apply that? Come and select the rectangle, go to the shape format where we are right now, then you come to the shape fill. A shape fill, it is the one that gives the background, the shape, like how? Come on the drop down, select red. Do you see? Then you come to the outline. The outline is the border. First come to the outline, give it the outline which is black as the one that we have here. So you can't see it because the weight is still small. Come again to the project and go to the outline, then you go to the weight, then select 3 pt like that. I think you can see how the thing is looking as if it is having some magics on it. So let us come this one. This oval is having the dark blue outline with the 3 pt also. Let us come on it, and having the white the shape fill. Let us come and we format it first, then come to the shape fill and give it white first. After giving it white, then let us come to the shape outline and give it darker blue. After giving it darker blue, then let us come to the weight and give it 3 pt. That was not dark blue. Let's come. Yes, like that. So you can see the things are happening the way how we need depending on our project. Yes, then we come. So to extend this one very well, you use the navigation keys. You can see the navigation keys. I will show you physically. Then we come to our left arrow and select it. Then you're going to give it a gradient fill and even its outline, which is also dark blue. Let us give it the outline which is dark blue. So we come and first give it the outline which is dark blue, plus the weight which is not much. Then after we give it the shape fill which is a gradient. When you click on the gradient, it's going to give you a drop down. Then after you go to more gradients. After going to more gradient, it's going to produce this formatting shape dialog box or drop down. Then you come and select the gradient. After selecting gradient, you will get these formats. Then you come and select this first stop. Then you click on this color, on this icon standing for the color. Then and see which color you're going to begin with. It is black. Then first stop, then you apply black. Then after applying black, then you come and see next is red. Next stop is red. Then after red, then we have black again. Then after black, then it is blue. No, it is not black, it is blue here. Then after this one, it is black. So you can see our arrow is formatted with the gradient color. Then we come to this one and we check here. You can see we have already the outline, which is darker blue, after darker blue, which is blue, then after with the chocolate background and with the format. Let's come here. We first apply the chocolate color. The outline, it is blue with the weight. Then after we come out to the shape effect, we go to the preset and then give it. Do you see? Then we come here and see which one will be good. You can select dependingly. So you can see everything has happened, and this is how we wanted it. So I hope this lesson you have understood it very well. Not only that, if you have any question, you can ask and then you will be answered. So when we look at our project, you can see that is matching with our draft is now formatted to the same looking with the project that we have here. So thank you for following carefully, and thank you for being good learners. Yes. So any question you have, reach out to your instructor. Is going to help you as well. Thank you very